I'm also a senior and I am the VP of membership.
We wish we could be showing you our house in person today, but we can't wait to meet you. Go head on in.
Hi, I'm Allie, the house manager here for Kappa Kappa Gamma, and let's go give you a tour. Kappa was founded here at Monmouth College in 1870, and here's our formal living room. Over here, we like to highlight some of our awards that we've earned throughout the years, such as Chapter with the highest GPA and Chapter programming. And just over here, we have our donor wall that is filled with friends and alumni who have supported us throughout the years. In the formal dining room, sisters like to hang out, eat together, and study in here, and then over here is one of our most recent composites. Next we have the sunroom. This is actually my favorite spot in the house where I like to just hang out, read, study, watch Netflix on my phone, and really do whatever in here. And in here is the kitchen where sisters like to cook together and hang out and study here at the breakfast bar. And just this morning, some of the sisters and I who live in the house had breakfast in here. And then right in here is our living room. We also have chapter meetings on Sundays here, and just last semester we also had a karaoke night in here with one of the fraternities on campus. Up these stairs you see the pineapples on the walls, which are a traditional symbol of warm welcoming and friendship, which are some of our traditional values in Kappa. And up here, this is where 6 of our sisters live.
Hi, welcome to our room. My name's Grace. I'm a sophomore and I'm the Director of Academic Excellence. So this is our room. I'm Taylor. I'm a junior here. And as Grace said, this is our room where we just hang out. Yeah, so this is my bed. I sometimes study in here. And we have movie nights at our desk and we study. And I like to practice my instruments in here and make fun music.
And over here we have Kendall's room.
Hello, I'm Kendall. I'm the Vice President of External Affairs here for Kappa. I'm also a junior. Come on in. So over here, I like to do my makeup and hair and study. Over here is my lovely bed. It is so comfortable. And I have all my little decorations here and pictures of all my friends that I've met here at Monmouth. And this is my favorite part, is my little shelf over here with all my plants and more pictures. So that's my room.
And here is my room. This is usually where the house manager stays. I have a desk to do my workspace, a desk that I like to do my makeup at, and lots of decorations on the wall. And here's my bed that I sleep in, and over here I kind of have a couch, and my favorite thing about this room that the house manager gets is that I get my own bathroom space.
Can't wait to meet you!